Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Restream for multi-platform uploads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Restream for multi-platform uploads, start by visiting the Restream website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you're already a member. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Restream dashboard. Look for the Add Channel button, typically located on the left sidebar. Click on Add Channel to open a list of available platforms. Select the platform you want to connect, such as YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. After selecting your desired platform, you will see an authentication prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Restream access to your account. This usually involves logging into the chosen platform and granting permissions. Complete the authorization process by clicking on the Allow or Authorize button. Once authenticated, you'll be redirected back to the Restream dashboard. Your newly connected channel will now appear in the list of active channels. To verify the connection, click on the channel name to check its status. Make sure it shows as connected to ensure proper functionality. You can repeat this process to add additional platforms for multi-streaming. After connecting all desired channels, head to the video section to set up your live stream. Here, you can input your stream title, description, and any other necessary details. Once everything is set, click on the Go Live button to start streaming to multiple platforms simultaneously. Lastly, monitor your stream's performance through the Restream dashboard during your broadcast. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.